up, everybody? Welcome back to KevR82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today is going to be kind of a funny video, dude. Today we're going to be checking out my rental car behind me, my 2018 Kia Soul. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, it's funny driving this car. But a little update for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, I am owner of a 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate. You got to check out the last video I uploaded about what happened to the car. I had an unfortunate accident or whatever. Tire on the road, hit the tire, caused some damage. Insurance is currently fixing the car right now. Good news for everybody out there. The car is coming back in 2 days. So this is today. I'm uploading the video on Monday. Actually, the car's coming back tomorrow if you're watching this today, because this is going to be Monday's video, and then I will have the car tomorrow if you're watching this on Monday. And then hopefully I'll have a video for you up on Friday, updating the car and checking it out and everything like that, celebrating the return of the Batmobile. So big news, obviously, man. I'm so excited, man. I'm feeling a lot better right now. The time is almost here. But for now, we're going to be checking out my rental car. I had some issues the first couple days when the accident first happened. I actually I had to Uber to work like the first week because I had some issues with the rental car company. So I had to wait another week, and then I ended up getting this. I've had this for a little bit over a week, so it's been 2 weeks since the accident happened and everything like that. So yeah, man, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This car it surprised me, dude, and I'm gonna tell you why, dude. Because when I first got it, I was like, oh man, I'm not a big fan of the styling of the car or anything like that, dude. It's just not my type of car, dude. It's a grocery getter, you know. I like something a little more sporty or whatever, and this doesn't really say sporty, you know. It's just, you know, it's a point A to point B car, so that's what I used it for until I figured out this thing, it's the little engine that could. It has, I think it's a 1.6 liter. I'm not sure. It might be a 2.0 because it comes in different trims. The 1.6 liter is 130 horsepower and 111 pounds of torque or some like small number or whatever. But the funny thing is, this car actually has like a sport mode in it, dude, and like a manual shifter, the automatic with the little slap stick. You slap it to the side, you can upshift or whatever, you can downshift or whatever, and it does some funny things, dude, for a little small engine. And it's literally screaming, and it's not really doing a whole lot, but it thinks it's fast, dude. That's what's funny about this car. So I've been having a little fun with that, whatever, trying that out. But this is gonna be like just a small walk around, a review from a sports car owner, someone who owns a really faster car, obviously, or whatever. And as a daily driver, how it fits, the fit and finish, and the extra amenities and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and cut to that. We're gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, just take a look at the outside styling, and then get in the interior and show you some of the stuff. For some of you guys out there that you know, say you guys are Genesis Coupe owners and your girlfriend, your wife, or your mom or whatever is looking for, you know, something in the KDM market, if you want to stay in the same market as Hyundai, because, you know, this is our sister brand. For you Hyundai owners that don't know, this is made in Korea, also just like our Genesis Coupes and all your other KDM cars and everything like that. So I'm gonna give you guys my point of view, my perspective on this car and everything like that, and then the rest is up to you. It's not gonna be super extensive information. It's just gonna be some of the stuff that I know about the car, some of the stuff that I discovered and everything like that. So let's go ahead, just jump in it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start off on the outside and just show you, you know, it has the kind of like the boxy shape, so like some of the other cars, was it the Scion XB and the Nissan Cube? They're very similar shapes or whatever. This one, I believe, is bigger. This one's bigger than the XB or whatever. But anyways, this isn't my type of shape of a car that I like. You know, I don't really find it desirable. It's like it's almost like a crossover. It's like a mini crossover is what I call it. Something that's stuck in the middle of being a full-size sedan and being a SUV. It's like it's a mashup between the two or whatever. But this isn't really my type of car. Like, I just don't prefer it or anything like that. But you know, I needed a rental car, so I'm not going to be picky and choosy or whatever. So let's go ahead and jump on the inside. Let me show you what we got. It's pretty roomy once you get in here. It looks small, but the seating position is pretty cool, whatever. You got plenty of headroom and everything like that. Plenty of leg room from what I know from my passengers been saying. You know, pretty good leg room. And let's go ahead and check out the rear seats. I'm gonna climb in here real quick and check out the rear seats because I haven't tried them out. Okay, pretty cool. You know, I mean, it's all right, man. A little stiff or whatever, but you know that's how it is. You know. And then obviously you have the rear seats to let down, and pretty easy and just figure it out as I go. Bam. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. You can let the seats down or whatever. And this is a feature that I'm going to be using tomorrow. I have to actually get a new tire for the Gen, because I actually was sitting on a donut. I'll close this. I was sitting on a donut before the accident happened. So I have to I'm gonna take my wheel, get the tire replaced, take it to the shop, have them just bolt up the wheel, whatever, so I don't have to do this afterwards, you know, because I do have to go to work Tuesday also, so I need to get all this stuff done in a timely manner. So yeah, all right, so let's get back to this. Let's go ahead and get in the car. You have your key fobs, whatever, and this has the it's not keyless entry, whatever, like the Gen, but it does have one of these old schools. I don't know if you guys remember these, the little flip out switch blades. Get one of these in here, and I'm gonna show you some of the interior amenities and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Turn that down so I don't get copyright strike. One of my favorite things when I get in the car, I'm gonna show you right now, is the media center. And the media center is pretty cool because I actually can have my USB, and then you actually can go in. Let me see. Sorry, figuring this one out. Oh, there it is. All right, cool. So I just hit it again. It brought up the, there's the USB. You have your Apple CarPlay, your aux cord, your Bluetooth audio, so you can stream straight from your phone, and music files. I'm not sure how that works. I'm pretty sure you can download to a folder, because that's the way my car works or whatever. Download it directly into a folder right there. Pandora is my favorite one because it syncs with my Pandora, my stations from Pandora, my Pandora app on my phone, and it puts it up there so you can switch the options and pictures and all that type of stuff. And it's pretty convenient, you know. It's pretty convenient for me, so I like that, whatever. I'm old school, so the funny thing is I actually still have CDs. This thing, unfortunately, does not have a CD player. I was looking in there. No CD player, so that's the only thing. If you're old school and you have CDs, this thing does not come with a CD player. So yeah, if it came with that, that would have been like, you know what I mean, a little bit of extra, you know. But just to let you guys know what it comes with and everything like that. So let's go ahead and crank it on. Nothing special when it comes on or whatever, just, you know, your normal stuff or whatever. I want to give you my rating as far as the steering is concerned. The steering is extremely lightweight and easy, which is good. You do not need any type of like arm pressure. Like it's I forgot the type of steering that this uses, whatever. But the power steering in this car is awesome. I'm gonna tell you right now. Like, I'm not used to steering this light. You know what I mean? So, which is a good thing for any small people that that, you know, like say your grandmother needs to, this is something your grandmother can drive really easily. She's not gonna have to struggle with the steering wheel or anything like that. So just a little something, you know, extra for, you know, you people that might not be as strong or might not want to struggle with a steering wheel or a big car. It's extremely light. All right, so before we wrap it up, I'm gonna show you some of the performance stuff, whatever. I did some little tests with the manual mode and everything like that, and the sport mode. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut to that clip before we wrap it up. So go ahead and check that out. All right, so now in this portion of the video, I'm gonna demonstrate the sport mode by merging onto the freeway. I got a red light up there. So right here, if you can see, drive mode, I'm gonna hit that once and it's gonna go into eco right there, and then another time it's gonna go into sport, and we're already green, so let me show you the acceleration. Thing gets up pretty quick. Revs out to 60. Looks like 6 grand. Revs out to about like 6 grand. All right, that's quick enough. That's 65. So yeah, it gets up. It gets the job done. As far as merging onto the freeway, it's not like super sluggish or whatever. It does have that automatic pause that most automatic cars have, so it is what it is. That's just the way the transmission is set up on most automatic cars. That's the way it's always been. But yeah, it gets the job done. It gets up to speed sometimes, you know, like if you need to. You just got to remember that pause. That's the only thing or whatever. So yeah, sport mode is pretty cool, whatever. I'm gonna slow down a little bit and then give it a little blip as I lane change. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a lane change. We're gonna accelerate from 16, do that. See where it revs out. It's a pause or whatever, and then it keeps the RPMs kind of high. Actually, in another clip, I'll show you the acceleration and the way it holds the RPMs when you put it in manual mode. Because like I said in the beginning, yes, it does have the manual mode or whatever. But yeah, I'll show you that in another clip. So, all right. So now I'm gonna show you how it holds the RPMs. How it holds the RPMs when you put it into manual mode. So basically, all you do is you slap the stick to the left or whatever. Most of you guys drive automatics to have this or whatever. It's, you know, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to drive, so I'm gonna keep it focused on the dash, and then I'm gonna slow down, just give myself a little room. So I slapped it into manual mode. You see how it says 6th gear? I'm gonna drop it down to 5. To 4, engine braking. It's engine braking right now. I'm gonna drop it to 3, and then I'm gonna punch it. All right, it's engine brake. You hear that? So when I put it up, I early shift into 4th. So you see where the RPMs are at? I'm gonna let off the accelerator, and it holds the RPMs a little bit longer. So it's holding the RPMs. You see how the RPMs aren't dropping yet? They're dropping slowly, and then you give it a punch, and it keeps the RPMs at a higher or whatever. So that's pretty cool, I guess. You know what I mean? It's a little tiny engine that could, you know. This engine is, you know what I mean? Yeah, real tiny or whatever. So, you know, it's something cool, whatever. So you put it back into drive, and it automatically puts it back in like 6th gear or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. You know, I ended up finding out by mistake. I was messing around, and my hand smacked the stick to the side, and I was like, oh yeah, I didn't even, you know, pay attention to that, you know. But this isn't a performance car by any means, like I said earlier. But it's just, you know, it gets the job done. It's a fun little rental car, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's about it. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Sorry if it's gonna be kind of short or whatever. This is just gonna be a quick little rundown of this car or whatever. It was pretty fun driving this thing, dude. I admit it, dude. Can't wait to get the Gen back, dude. We're gonna hit it with a bang, dude. I got some big plans for the Gen Coupe as soon as I get it back, dude. I need to do an oil change. That's gonna be one of the top of my list. I will be ordering test pipes also real soon also. So those are gonna be the first 2 things. I'll probably do the oil change first and then try to get the test pipes afterwards. And just get on it, man. We're just gonna be in this garage, man. Just getting work done and everything like that. Might call in some help from my friends with the test pipes and everything like that. I'll let you guys know what's up with that. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Dude, man, it's been a blessed day, man. I'm blessed to be safe and everything like that. I'm glad, like I said, I can't not say this enough. That, you know, things could have been worse. It could have been the accident could have been a lot worse, dude. So I'm blessed and I'm safe, and the Gen Coupe is fixable, and it will be back home tomorrow. So look forward to that. Till then, as always, see the glass is half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. KevR82 TV. Peace. J Squad.